Hey everyone, welcome back to the 1-800-VICTIM2 studio. So, many times when clients call us, they want to know, well, how often should we remain in contact with you? Well, at our firm, at the attorneys at 1-800-VICTIM2, contact with the clients is critically important. Not only do we want to maintain contact with the clients, because if we have questions or we need stuff from the clients, we want to be able to get in touch with them. We certainly don't want to lose contact with them. But also from a customer service point of view, it's important that we're in constant contact, communication with the clients, because we want the clients to understand that we're working on their behalf. The reality is that quite often we are doing a lot of work on their cases, and clients don't know about it unless we tell them. So it's important that we're constantly in communication with the clients, that they understand that we're working on their case. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that clients need to call us every week, although they're more than welcome to if they want to. But we usually recommend that clients call us at least every 30 days when their case is progressing. Now, at the beginning of a case, we certainly understand there's going to be a lot of issues that arise, a lot of questions that arise, and we expect clients to call more often at that point. For example, if somebody's involved in a car accident, they're going to have questions about the damage to their car getting repaired. Maybe the car is at a storage facility. They may have questions about lost earnings. They may have questions about their medical bills and how they need it paid. These are all very, very common questions, and they arise at the beginning of the case. As the case progresses, they may not have as many questions, but nevertheless, we want our clients to stay connected with us. Now, we provide certainly clients can email us, clients can call us, and clients can text us. Communication, again, is very important with the attorneys at 1-800-VICTIM2. One of the most common complaint that clients have with their attorneys that the attorneys don't return their calls. That, to us, is just unacceptable. The fact that an attorney is not returning the call, I mean, that's a starting point. How could you not return your client's calls? But that's just a given that we're going to return your calls. But we also want clients to understand that when they call us, they'll be able to speak to somebody. And granted, we may be busy, we may be on the other telephone line, we may have stepped away, we may be in court. We'll always return your calls. But you could also text us and you could also email us. Communication is very, very important. It's a sign of disrespect when attorneys are not returning their clients' calls. And that's not the way we do business with the attorneys at 1-800-VICTIM2. So the answer to the question is, how often should I stay in touch with my attorneys? The answer is really based on how you feel. If you want to call us often, then that's your right, and you absolutely should, and we'll be responsive. Some clients don't want to speak to us as often, and that's fine. But we will be reaching out to you, and we have questions. We will be reaching out to you to advise you of the status of your case. And communication with the attorney and client is very, very important. And we want clients to feel like they're the attorneys for life. We want to establish a relationship with them. And the only way we're going to establish a relationship is if we get to know each other during the case, that we communicate with each other. And it's very important. Don't be a victim twice. You don't want to be in a car accident or any type of accident and then have an attorney who's not returning your call or not treating you with the respect that you deserve. You don't want to be a victim twice. Call 1-800-VICTIM2, 1-800-842-8462, so that you can be treated with the respect that you deserve.